Alright, hello everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to build a website with Weebly. So as you can see here, I have a home page with a description and a little bit of information about my site, my suites tab. Here's a picture of some of the suites that I like, places, these are places I'd like to visit, and video games. If I click on one of these buttons, it's going to take me to a video. So go to Weebly.com and you're going to click on the sign up button. When you get to this page, just enter your name, your email, create a password, select your country, and then sign up for free. When you get to this page, just go ahead and click I just need a website. I select portfolio and then Elijah Soul. Next, just click start editing. Now we need to search for a site to see if the name is available. Here I typed in super. We can see it's unavailable because somebody's already taken it. If I try super cool fun site and hit search, we can see that it is available. Choose. Do not click on any of these and then just click done. The first thing we're going to do is click on pages and we're going to create 4 new pages. Click on this plus button here, click standard page, click done, do it again. Like that, do it again, standard page, done, standard page, done, and one more time, standard page, done. The next thing we're going to do is delete all of our pages that we already had. So click delete on the home page, delete, click on contact, or sorry, gallery, click delete, delete page, and contact. Delete page, because we're starting from scratch. We don't need any of these. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and name these 4 pages. The first page, we're going to click here, page name, type home, hit back. The next page is called suites. Hit the back button, new page, type places, and then the last page, type video games. Awesome. So now we can actually tab through our different pages up here, and you can see it changes on the left side as well when we do this. So we're going to name these pages. Let's click on home page and we're going to type home, click on suites, call it suites, click on places, and the last one we're going to call it video games. Alright, so basically with Weebly all you need to do is you add pages, and then the build tab here is how you actually add stuff to your page. So I'm going to add a description to my home title page here. I'm going to click on the text element, click and drag, and you see the blue line. Once you see the blue line down here, let go. And then now it says click to edit, so I'm going to click here and type, welcome to my awesome site. I can make this bigger or smaller. I can change the color to pink or something. There we go. So I'm going to do this to all of my other tabs now as well. On my Suites tab, I'm actually going to bring the text element down here to the bottom, and I can add the description here. So I've now added descriptions to each of my pages, but I don't have anything else. So we're going to go ahead and add some images. So on the right side here, you can see that I have a bunch of images that I'm going to put on my website. So what I'm going to do is scroll down and then click on the images element and then drag it right here to where the blue line appears. That's 1. I'm going to do this 3 more times. Click on image, put it right next to the upload image. Don't put it where the blue line appears. You want to put it right next to it so the upload image icon moves to the right or to the left, because then you'll get this nice little split. We're going to add another image down below, and then one last one on this side. Now we want a little bit of space between the images. Click and drag divider, blue line appears, and it gives us a nice little split here, and we're going to do that one more time. So now we have a place for 4 images. So to upload an image, just click the upload image button and click and drag your file from your folder. And I'm going to do that 3 more times. Now here I go, I have 4 images. My images are a little bit off. I can click and drag on the corner, the blue box there, and there we go. That looks a little bit better. I could make this one smaller as well if I wanted. And perfect. So I want to talk a little bit about my pictures here. So I'm going to click on the text element, click and drag, just like that. And then I can talk about my food. So just make sure to do it 3 more times. So I'd click and drag and then do it 2 more times and then I'd be done. So now I've got little short stories about each of my food items. So we're nearly done. We're just going to add some buttons that take us to YouTube. So on the left side here with your elements, left click on button, click and drag right below your text. Here it says button text. I'm going to do 3 things. Click on this, change the button text to apple crumble, just like that. Okay, click back. You can change the position so it moves left, right, and center, just like that. I'm going to put it in the center, and then link. You need to find your link and you can paste it in here, right? So, for example, I took this video from YouTube. I just click copy and then I paste it here, and then just click the back arrow right here. I'm going to do that 3 more times. Click on button because I need one for brownies and my other food. So I now have buttons for each of my images. By the way, if you do have any problems and you want to delete something, you can just hover your mouse cursor over what you want to delete. Doesn't matter if it's text, images, or button, any element. And you can just click on the X, it'll delete it. You can click, see my little hover icon here, click and you can move it just like this as well. Just be careful because then it can be disorganized and it might be hard to fix things to how they were before. So you can go ahead and repeat this process for each of your pages for places in video games. And one more thing I want to do, this is the name of my site. I'm going to click on the settings button, and I'm just going to rename it. I'm going to call it Teacher Kenneth's Site. And then I'm going to click on the save button. It'll say updated and you can click back on pages and it's now changed. And all that's left to do is just click on the publish button. Once it's done publishing, you can click on your website here, and if you followed everything correctly, your website should look something like this. And then you can click on the different buttons. Perfect. So today we learned how to sign up for a website, pick a theme, name your website, create pages, delete pages, rename pages, add descriptions, change color, upload images, use the divider tool, create a button for YouTube, and publish our website. Thank you very much. Hello everybody. If you liked my video, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe.